I say go, I want you to run it leg over. Yourself, when you go through there, the net, you get your awesome work back. Hook those legs, push him out the way if he's in the way. As we get just past here, what we're going to do is we're going to change a little bit. One. You guys good? All about keeping in time. Good one. Shoulders back. Like it. Posture, you guys here. Well done, guys. That's it. Good teamwork. Keep in time. Keep that step on the downward movement. Don't overstride. Just small steps.
Stop wheeling around.
Keep wheeling around now. Keep wheeling around now. Just walk forward just a little bit more. Just over to this area here. Keep going. 4 more steps. 3, 2, 1. Steady. Prepare to lower.
Lower.
Legs. Well done. Excellent. Relax. Okay. We've come 800 meters, team. What we're going to look to do is have a little bit of a breather. I'm going to see you guys are going to sit down over that side there and have a rest before we go to the main event, which is on the hill just over here. George, just want to come and sit down, mate. Let's have a little chat. Okay, George, so how have you found Commando training so far?
Well, it's been pretty physical so far, but the thing that surprised me the most is just how mentally prepared you have to be for each exercise.
Okay, well, mental preparedness is all about what we do in situational awareness and responding to different stimulus. So what these guys are going to find here is that their fine skills and the motor skills. Fine skills are where all these complex coordinated stuff is, which we were doing with the box just here. We were stepping forward, keeping in time. But when they get tired, we just use gross motor skills. And that is literally breathing, blinking, putting one foot in front of the other. And that makes the journey just that little bit harder. So what we're trying to do here is to make sure the guys stay focused and concentrate. And we work with our recruits a lot to do this. They just don't switch off at any stage.
So under fatigue, always maintain that technique you keep drilling right from the get-go.
Yeah, we never let the guys off at all. Poor technique is one of the worst things that a recruit can do in training, and we just hammer it from the word go. And eventually they realise that personal discipline is so important.
Have they had enough smoke? Are we going to tackle these hills?
Yeah, man, I think they've had plenty of time to rest over there. It's time to get going up to the top. It's the real challenge now. That's the easy, that's just the warm-up. Okay, let's go, mate. Okay, underneath. Wait a minute. Prepare to lift. Lift. Keep that back straight. Okay, walking forward. Watch yourself on the steps. Up we go, shoulders back. Keep it tight into the body. We're off here, we'll be fine. It's a lot better. All right, rhythm. Polly, come this way slightly. Just see into the dip on the other side of it. Anytime you feel that you need to stop and change, you just talk about it. Tell us where you're at. Good teamwork, well done. Now step it forward. Small steps, don't race the pace. Small steps. Come right slightly now. The flattest bit we can get through just in that dip. Steady. Get yourselves ready. Prepare to lower. Lower. Bring yourselves in, guys. Okay, this next drill is the sand dunes. This is the culmination of all the training we've been doing so far. Your mission is to take this 100-kilogram box from here all the way to the top of this sand dune. It's about 80 meters, and at some points there's a 50-degree incline. We're going to use all those skill sets that we've been practicing to get from here to the top. You guys ready to go? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Prepare to lift. Lift. Oh, we're looking at good teamwork. Short shifts. Ready? Let's go. Concentrate. Work together as a team. All the time you've been working up to this point, don't bother looking up to the top of the hill. Just take small steps. Breathe it in. Ready? Try and keep it straight. Don't overstride on one side. Keep it in there, keep it there. Who swap round one front? Lift. Good work at the back. Keep it going. Drive. Small ones. Well done. That's it. Drive it in, drive it in. Small steps. Breathe. Big deep breaths in. Don't overstride. Short shifts. Keep left. Well done. Posture. Keep upright. Keep upright. Well done. Drive. Steady. Great rhythm. Well done. Here we go. This final push. You can see it gets a little bit steeper. Drive up. Push. Final push to the top. Come on. Small steps. Drive it in. Come up. Keep it up, Jared. Steady. Prepare to lower. Well done, everybody. Lower it down. Well done. Mission achieved. Yes. Perfect. Awesome work. Well done, team. Good teamwork, everybody. Well done. Nice job. Well done. We'll do that. Okay, George, it's been a long day, and you managed to achieve the task at the end, which was getting the box to the top and learning all new skills. You've also had a whole lot of jerseys throughout your career, so we just got another one here just to present to you. It's a Commando jersey. Hopefully you've enjoyed the day's training with Commando training.
Certainly have, mate. Thank you, Ross. And I guess, does that officially mean that I've gone Commando?
Certainly, mate. You've gone Commando. Fully with the guys. All day Commando.
Beautiful. Thanks again, mate.
Go on, mate. Want the good news? The good news is we got it up here. The bad news is this is only half the mission achieved. We've now got to go all the way back down to the start point, which is there. Just when you think, like I told you before, always expect the unexpected. But well done for getting here. Half the mission achieved. Breathe it in, suck it in before we go back.